The development of Japan's fishing industry is influenced by a combination of geographical and human factors. Here are factors that have favored the development of fishing industry in Japan. Physical factors. 1. Broad continental shelf. Shallow waters, especially near Kyushu and Honshu, allow sunlight to reach the seabed, promoting plankton growth, which attracts fish like mackerel and sardines. 2. Converging ocean currents. The meeting of the warm Kuroshio and cold Oyashio currents enhances plankton growth, creating rich fishing grounds. The warm current also prevents freezing, allowing year-round fishing. 3. Long indented coastline. The extensive coastline with numerous bays provides ideal fish breeding grounds and supports the development of many fishing ports like Tokyo, Yokohama, and Osaka. 4. Island geography. Japan's over 3,000 islands encourage coastal settlements and fishing as a traditional occupation, increasing fish catches. 5. Diverse fish species. Japan's waters host valuable species like tuna, salmon, and sardines, supporting various uses such as food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. 6. Favorable climate. Cool waters and climate enhance plankton productivity and make fish preservation easier. Human factors. 1. Availability of capital. Strong investment in modern fishing equipment and processing facilities has supported large-scale fishing operations. 2. Skilled labor. Coastal communities have long traditions in fishing, providing expertise in fish extraction, processing, and marketing. 3. Advanced technology. Japan leads in modern fishing methods, including trawling and refrigeration, which improve efficiency and fish quality. 4. Research and innovation. Continuous research on fish breeding and sustainable practices helps maintain fish stocks. 5. Efficient transport network. Well-developed sea and rail transport systems facilitate the distribution of fish from ports to markets. 6. Strong market demand. Japan's large population and proximity to other Asian markets ensure a ready demand for fish products. 7. Supportive policies and political stability. Government support in research and regulation, along with long-term political stability, encourages investment and development in the fishing industry.